Hi, this is Rakesh working as a Java developer in Spiro Group of Companies. My topic is Shared Authority-Based Privacy Preserving Authentication Protocol in Cloud Computing. Cloud computing type of internet-based computing where different services such as server storage and applications are delivered to an organization's computers and devices through the internet research. On this topic, trustees the domain has focused largely privacy preserving access authentication sharing. In this paper, we proposed a shared authority-based privacy preserving authentication protocol to address the privacy issue of cloud storage. It indicates that the proposed protocol realizing privacy preserving data access authority sharing is attractive for multiple and collaborative cloud applications. Then come for existing and proposed in existing their users may want to access and share each other's authorized data fields to achieve new security and privacy challenges for cloud storage. Shared access authority is used to achieve anonymous access request matching mechanism with security and privacy concerns. And proposed the security solutions mainly focus on the authentication to realize the user's privacy data cannot be unauthorized. Suitable privacy issues during a user challenging the cloud to request other users of the data share. The algorithm for existing cryptographic algorithm, the proposed algorithm is anonymous ID assignment based data sharing algorithm. Algorithm definition for existing method by using cryptographic algorithm is used to identify this problem and also to improve the privacy and security of the model. Proxies and re-encryption is applied by the cloud server to provide data sharing among to the multiple users. Technique definition for proposed, this technique is used to iteratively to assign these nodes ID numbers ranking from 1 to n. This assignment is anonymous in the identities received or unknown to other members of the group. So drawback of existing authentication is established to guarantee data confidentiality and integrity. Data anonymity is achieved, forward security is realized. The advantage of the proposed data integrity and availability should be ensured, enforce the quality of dependable data cloud storage services of users. Data error locationalized will be rectified. The real-time application of this project is online privacy preserving cloud applications. The second one is bank sector privacy preserving cloud applications. Hardware and software requirements. First of all, hardware processor Pentium, RAM 512 MB, monitor 15 inches, hard disk 40 GB. Then software requirements are front-end Java, back-end MySQL, operating system Windows 7, IDE is Eclipse. The future technique cloud auditing. The purpose of auditing is who are the cloud users shared this file among the cloud servers. The server is investigated who are the users shared the data into the cloud server and how much space allocated for the every users. Future technique is heuristic auditing strategy. That definition of the future technique is data centric consistency model considers the internal stage of storage system, that is how updates flow through the system and what guarantees the system can provide the respect to the advantages. Then enrichment, data integrity and availability, enforce the quality of dependable cloud storage services for users. Data error localization will be rectified. Extravagance or optimization of task resource allocation, maximized resource utilization based on HAS very low expense to achieve. Auditing consistency of a worldwide scale can be achieved to be connected with multiple cloud servers. Thank you.